Ras kitchen, no itching, no snitching. Give them peace sign.
Oh no, kick.
Yeah.
So we say no with honor, no with claw, neither with hoof, whiskers, nor paw. Nothing where you swim, where you reel, nor crawl. With stomach and a burial ground, nor mag. Me say nothing with the eye, nor mouth, nor teeth. Nothing where walk, run, fly, swim, nor creep. Nothing where crawl, nor ball with jaw, nor beak. None of them they sitting there's I'm for no eat. Nothing with the eye, nor mouth. Big up in a Ras kitchen, no itching, no switching, no snitching. Add up, enough. I tear the pioneer to the world, huh?
Ital. Vital.
It's Matthew here on the north coast of Jamaica. I'm in Plantation Cove at the inaugural Ital Food Fest. I was invited here to come check things out. There's going to be all kinds of different stages with music, food preparation, philosophy, a whole bunch of special guests from all over the world, including Dr. Aris LaTham, Ras Jinga, you may recognize from this channel recently from my last trip to Grenada, and a whole bunch of other amazing celebrity chefs and just people involved in the Ital food world. So yeah, I'm super stoked to be here. I'm very happy. I haven't spent a lot of time on the North Coast, so I don't know it that well, but it looks like a great turnout. Let's go inside, check out Ital Food Fest. All right, so very friendly security. Got my pass here, media pass. This is awesome. I'm pretty stoked on this. Looks like an amazing setup. Tons of vendors, food. I'm gonna go see who I know, hopefully meet some new people too. We got the sound check going on in front of me here. Big things, a lot of different artists coming out tonight. I'm gonna go check some of these food stalls. Looks like there's some amazing stuff.
All right, we're here at the spot. We're gonna try some raw ackee. I eat a lot of cooked ackee, but never raw, so.
Be careful, you know, because everyone who died from ackee poisoning, the ackee was cooked.
That's what I watched in your video.
Yeah.
It's the opposite of what we believe in Jamaica, though.
Right, because if the ackee is raw and the poison in it, you vomit. Everything come out. But if you cook it, the body can't detect it. So you only know that you're poisoned when you're dead.
Okay, that's a good point. I'll have to try this one. All right. Can you tell me everything that's in it? So it's got.
Okay, so it's ackee, you got peppers, you got scallion, you have amaranth,
Whoa.
and we have olives, we have olive oil, we have noni, and lots of fresh ingredients, seasoning that we use.
Okay,
Yes.
and it's all sun-fired.
Sun-fired. This is
Sun-fired.
raw.
Absolutely raw. That looks great. Okay.
Yes.
This looks awesome.
All right, so very cool. Just got to meet Dr. Aris LaTham, who I've been following for a long time. And yeah, very interesting because he specializes in sun-fired food, no cooking, naturally raw food. So first time doing raw ackee, because in Jamaica, if you know, people really put the fear into you about eating raw ackee, especially unopened ackee.
Because your food can only.
Whoa. Got some pepper kick, a nice kind of oiliness, texture, a little bit of creaminess. The ackee itself has a more of a crunchy texture. Obviously it's going to be a little harder not being cooked, but it's still got a very nice texture. It almost sort of marinates in the juice that they put on it. There's a small hint of bitterness from the ackee, but it still tastes wonderful, and a little bit of pepper vibe. So you get a little bit of a kick. So, I don't know, this is really good. First time eating raw ackee. And yeah, if you're in Jamaica, you probably haven't tried it either, I'm guessing. So I'm at a Roots and Drinks station now, authentic Rastafari. We're gonna meet the owners here and try some of these tonics. And as you know, I love a Roots tonic. A lot of health benefits.
All right, so we're at the Indigenous Rastafari Holistic Herbal Healer.
Yes, I.
Yes.
Yes, I, not shot.
Nice to meet you guys.
Blessed love, great.
Yeah. Tell me about your roots here. This looks really amazing. Go.
All right, I want to know, I want to name stimulant. As I say, in a sore throat, cold, flu, dengue fever.
Wow.
Every house we have this.
Okay.
See? Yes, I. Acid reflux, etc. See, Rasta man, I love him confident for black woman. We run the continent, we can't drop off of it.
Yeah.
Hyper roots. You know, this are the right type of roots.
Yeah, I put the
know?
right type of, yeah.
Yes, sir. Roots with bird pepper.
Okay.
You know?
So that's the spicy one
Yeah,
for the people.
cayenne, yeah.
Cayenne, yeah.
And you know, the Ital Food Fest and a whole heap of germs in the system and want detox. And come the Ital way. See that? Detox.
Okay.
You know, keep your light, keep your skin clean, the whole works, you know?
Amazing.
Yes, sir.
So I know some of the ingredients on here. I know Chinese roots a very Chinese roots a proper part of a lot of different roots. They usually have the
Yes, sir.
Chinese root in there.
Yes, sir.
And shame old lady, would that be the same as they call it sometimes shamey darling? The plant,
Shema Maka.
the plant that you touch and it closes
yes,
up.
Sir.
Yes,
Same
sir.
one.
Nice.
Good for inflammation,
Yeah.
gonorrhea, etc. Clean up your skin too. You know, sarsaparilla, #1 blood purifier.
All right.
Yeah?
All right.
Yeah, man. So to get the link, it's 1-876-285-5091.
Okay.
So it's Desi, D-E-S-I, capital I, and a natural without a U. So we keep it straight. Yeah, what you say I know, you know.
Yes.
We have the ackee without sulfate. So
Okay.
this name Acai. Ackee with pop chai. And over here we have the Ital stew, chi bean stew. A bean, broad bean, black eyed peas, etc. We have the chickpeas turmeric. We have the bungo, rice and peas in a Jamaica, cause season greeting. And we have the Ital sip. Wait there.
All right.
You see that juice here? Yeah. That one here, a baby in a bucket.
Oh my, I might need some of that
You ever hear
actually.
about mountain sap? Mountain sap mixed with the sour sap, blend up with the coconut.
Is mountain sap like a sour sap or is
It's
it
a
different?
family relative.
Okay, I don't know if I've had mountain sap before.
Yeah, you need to try this one.
Yeah, okay.
You know? Good for you to try it on the camera and tell them. You
Okay,
pull it?
okay, let's try
Yeah.
mountain sap. I've never had mountain sap. This is the first. Wow. So it's like a sour sap family.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we link up the family them together.
All right, here we go. Mountain sap.
We're playing around with ourselves. And some people like playing with themselves because it's very pleasurable. But it's self-indulgent.
Ooh. Yeah, it's got that nice sweetness like the sour sop, that kind of milky texture that you get. Ice cold, as you can see by the ice in here, but
No artificial
it's different. It's definitely a little twist on the sour sop.
No artificial sweetness. Cane juice we use to balance it.
Super nice and sweet, and yeah, very different texture than what I'm used to. Do you have a mountain sop here by any chance? Like the fruit itself?
No,
okay.
no.
Just checking. I want to see what it looks like, but that's so good.
This is the oil you can't drink. You can't drink vegetable oil. So let's stop eating. See? You can't oil your skin with that too.
I was just listening to a video about Dr. Aris talking about the heat processing of coconut
Yes, sir.
oil actually really damages
Yes, sir.
and makes it a saturated fat instead of a healthy fat.
Yes, sir.
So this is cold pressed then.
So like people who plant them, we have their dehydrate them. No fry up something, you know, because we keeping it healthy, you know.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You see the man there? 1,500. You see the man there, me now? We have problem in the bedroom. I know I'm going to build a label for that one.
Front end lifter.
No, it name Find It.
Finey, okay.
Find It. It have 27 different ingredients. You know the maca root,
Yes.
etc. Along with the chain root, the honey goat weed, the bee pollen, the noon, the bud pepper, etc. Remember me telling the king, if you have a problem and you don't want to see if you don't marry, come link and find it.
Yes.
And it balance the female pH. We don't have to do no bag of work. And she chuck on it. And we just ready for it. Find it.
Yes.
It's a natural.
Yeah.
Health is a wealth, you know?
And where can people find you?
I'm in Portmore now. You can link me on the social media them too. Just look up the name, Design Natural. Ital food, which is a vital food, the Ital Food Fest. Let the food come from Mother Earth and Father Nature. Keeping it natural, everything natural. Always spoon natural. No iron or rub on iron, straight from nature. Because we are one with the one. Ital Food Fest with them. Keeping it real.
I'm loving the mountain sop, and I think I got to take the hype roots home. The hype was real at this stall. So yeah, definitely check out Acai Natural, currently in Portmore. I'll link it right below.
Okay, I'm Arlene.
Hi,
I'm
Arlene.
gonna get this thing from my little, it's not really a company, this is what we call sole trader.
Yes.
Registration, it's called Lilli Valli. And because I'm so not accustomed to coming out of Kingston, I have left all my signs.
Well, I found you anyway because I saw kombucha. I was very interested.
Right, because the Lilli Valli logo, that's the logo right there. If you can see it, can you see it?
I can see it, looks good.
All right. So I do kombucha at the market. I also do a mosquito repellent.
Oh, this I could use.
That's a very good mosquito repellent. It's all essential oils and extracts.
Okay, this is right up my alley.
The base is coconut oil, and it's usually either organic or naturally cold pressed coconut oil. And which is in the base, and we have peppermint, lavender. Not the usual suspects. You'd think that maybe I'd have lemongrass in there, but I'm allergic.
Okay, so you found an
allergic.
alternative. Tell me about your
Works very
kombucha here,
Right,
because
so
I see the
kombucha.
big scobies on the label here. That's awesome.
Yeah,
I make it at home for about
do?
4 years. I've been making it. Same SCOBY.
The same SCOBY?
Same one.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been going a
So you
long
have
time.
A lot of mothers.
It got huge, and I had to keep taking some
Take
off.
it off
But
but you know you don't throw it away, right? You have
No.
plants?
I give it to
Because
friends
you-
usually.
Okay,
Yeah.
because you know, I was just telling some customers, kombucha is not a thing that you throw away. You never throw away kombucha. All right, so when it gets too acidic, you make kombucha vinegar and use it as a salad dressing.
Which I've made that mistake before.
And don't throw it out. I hope you have used it as a salad dressing.
I make so much, some of it
Salad
gets
dressing.
poured out.
Oh no!
Okay.
Oh no! And then I make ackee butter.
Ackee butter,
Ackee
really?
butter is a spread that I make using ackee. It's
Okay.
not cooked in the conventional sense, not the way we normally prepare ackee
Yeah.
here. Because I'm vegan, so I had to find something to replace butter. So ackee butter does well for me.
Very cool.
And then I do a line of teas. Now here's the thing about the teas. For example, this blend, I call it warm greetings in the tea. It's a tea blend, a loose tea blend. But it's the same formula, the same recipe that makes the spicy sorrel kombucha. Same recipe. And sometimes on a Saturday morning I usually serve tea, natural teas on a Saturday morning for the customers at no charge.
Okay.
And this is one of the favorites.
Cool.
Hi.
What's your favorite kombucha flavor here?
Well, I'm gonna tell you the truth, I'm a rainbow guy.
Yeah?
So whatever flavor kombucha comes into, once I know that the nutrition is in the kombucha, well, you know, I'll go for everyone.
Nice.
You know, see? Yeah.
I like mixing it up too, but I've never had a sorrel one. That seems like a very Jamaican style.
Well, that's
of
good enough
kombucha.
because sorrel is good for the blood. So that should enhance the blood frequency. And blood is the fuel of the body. So you get a great nutritional value in the bloodstream when you use it with the sorrel.
Did they put ginger in this one too? Like
Well,
the normal-
ginger is great too, you know. Well, she's a producer, so she would tell you that.
Yeah.
But what I know about ginger is great for circulation, so it allows the system to absorb it even faster.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So that's very good.
And what's the more lighter yellow flavor one? Oh, you have a rosemary beet.
All right.
Whoa.
So the yellow flavor one is what the yellow flavor one.
All right, so this one is lemongrass, which is a favorite.
Okay,
Which
classic.
is a favorite, but I tell you, overwhelmingly favorite on all my customers is basil mint.
Hey, I need to try that one at home.
Overwhelming. It really is a lovely flavor.
The nice thing with the basil again, because it have a mentholated vibration again, the system absorb it at a lighter vibration. Because that's what mental vibration does.
Cool.
It gives a lighter vibration in whatever it does. You know, in other words, it lifts the spirit.
You can always use some spirit lifting. Everybody can use that.
Man.
Yeah.
So it's nice for people to get this knowledge, you know, because it's around them. So they need to be reminded of what joy it brings through healing. Because that's what all of this is about. It's about healing.
Now, is kombucha very popular in Jamaica? Because I haven't actually seen it that much.
Well, I'm not sure. She could probably give you a better information on the old kombucha vibration. I wonder if it's popular in Jamaica.
Not really. It's kind of underground yet. It's
Yeah, but it's getting more popular now, you know, because even now there are more local brands now in Jamaica than before. So I've seen it popping up in different places.
people are learning because I think at first when they hear, oh, there's a mushroom drink, people go, whoa, hold on.
But listen, my mother used to make this, and they used to call it Cossack tea.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the weirdest thing. Cossack tea.
Like Cossack isn't from Russia originally.
Exactly.
Okay.
Which is weird because there's a toss-up as to whether it came from China or from Russia. But the person who named it, Kombucha, that was the name of the person who named it. Kombucha tea. It is said that somebody 4,000 years ago found this cup of tea that had fermented in an abandoned building somewhere, and looked at it and said, but that looks like it would be good, and tasted it, and that's how kombucha started. Now that's just a story. I really don't know if that's what happened.
It's a power of what you call preservation, because that is what things like this does. It preserves energy and health, you know. And a lot of these things have what you call a lot of water foundation. Water keeps them going, because water is life, which is liquid light, you know. So yeah, things like this. So it is good for people to realize that, and I like to say this since this is an Ital food thing, is that it's good to put your creativity in what you're gonna eat. So it's good to sow a seed, but it's hard if you're gonna eat flesh and you cannot blow breath into an animal and you're shedding blood to eat. That's against your frequency of love, you know. So people need, and that creates ill health. Yeah, you know, right. So if you take it natural and put your energy in its own reproduction state, then hey, it's a balance from one to the other, which is great health.
Well, I think I need to try one. Which one should I go for? Let's see.
All right. So if you're having, you know what, you were intrigued by the sorrel.
I should do the sorrel one since we're the kind of Christmas season, and I it's hard to get sorrel in Canada. I can get the dried sorrel, but I can't get the other sorrel.
What you are doing here, you know, is not no little what we in Jamaica would say a little buck-up thing. It's an ordinance of anointment. Why we have the little reasoning, and you actually feel a connection to it too, that you end up getting your portion. So all health unto you.
I appreciate it. Bless up. Much respect. And what's your name again, sir?
Magi.
Magi. I'm Matthew.
All right, Matthew.
Very nice to meet you.
It's good again.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, we got kombucha. Love kombucha. I'm a big grower of kombucha at home. Like I said, same SCOBY for 4 years. So this is the spicy sorrel. Ooh, so nice and fizzy. And yeah, that very nice Christmassy flavor, a little bit of ginger in the mix. That is so nice. Yeah, if you're not into kombucha yet, it's honestly pretty easy to make at home. So highly, highly recommend. So yeah, definitely check out Lilli Valli.
I'm Chef Stennett from the Art Runaway Bay College, St. Anne's Bay, and today we are at the Ital Fest and we are doing a meatball simmered in tomato sauce. We also have a cornmeal polenta that is topped with jerk jackfruit and a roasted red bell pepper sauce. And the dish of the day that is taking the place is our Ital pasta, which has raisins, it has ackee, it has tofu in it, and it's simmered in real blended coconut milk that was reduced with turmeric and thyme and all different natural herbs and aromatics.
Now, when you say meatball, obviously though, it's not meatball, it's something else, right?
It's vegetable.
Vegetable. Yes.
I'm Chantal, I'm from Kingston, but I recently moved to Trelawney. And I'm here at Ital Food Fest for the first time, and I love it.
Pretty nice so far. What do you think of the quote-unquote meatball?
It's different, but it's filling. You can actually taste each texture and ingredient in it, which is what I like about Ital food. It's what I like about Ital food. It's very smooth, and it's something that you know that's good for you. So you almost feel no guilt eating it at all.
delicious. She said it for both of us. It was very good. I mean, smooth, creamy. It's a creaminess to it. You can't really tell what exactly you're eating, but you know it's something very good. You know. I'm here like it's my third. You know.
Yeah. Free samples. Everyone likes free samples. Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Here we go. Ital meatball. Taste all the black beans. Definitely a different texture, but the sauce is really nice. Nice tomato sauce. A lot of herbs in there. There's some bay leaf, some oregano. Yeah, very, very pasta-like. Very nice.
Polenta with jackfruit.
Yes.
Okay.
And you have a creamy red pepper and turmeric sauce.
Okay. Thank you so much.
I do know a little thing or two about polenta. I do really like polenta, made with a lot of corn. Although polenta with jackfruit, man, jackfruit is such a versatile one. I mean, I personally usually like it really sweet, but I know it does make a really good meat substitute. It kind of has that meaty type texture. When you eat it, it's not as ripe. It has that more savory texture instead of the sweet. So, try this with the sauce here. Wow. The hint of sweetness, a little bit of spiciness from the pepper, nice chewy polenta. That is beautiful. I gotta start cooking with jackfruit more. So good.
Pasta of the day, that's the pasta of the event right there.
Nice.
Yeah. So we got some raisins in it. We have tofu. We're gonna put some ackee in it. And we're gonna put some spice. The spice is gonna contribute with the sweetness of the raisins and the spiciness of the Scotch bonnet. And we're gonna simmer this down in some fresh coconut milk that we reduced already from our hard kitchen to reduction with the coconut sauce with turmeric totally redone. You're gonna try it. It's looking
good. It's looking good already. Oh, ackee in there too.
Yeah.
Ackee on top.
This is our coconut reduction.
Okay.
That we reduce with turmeric. So turmeric give it that nice rich yellow color. We'll top it with some fresh coconut milk as well with coconut oil.
Wow.
Take it short and spicy. And then we got some dry herbs, some cilantro. No, we can't make pasta without dry herbs or fresh herbs. Yeah.
Zucca.
Ah, man.
Zucchini.
This is what we're going to be using for our pasta because, you know, normally we order pasta.
So both kinds of zucchini, both colors, same zucchini?
Yeah,
okay,
so we have one squash and zucchini. Yeah. So we're not going to use any pre-made pasta today.
Oh wow, look at that.
Wow.
Filling up. Proper Italian way where you cook everything in the sauce. It's not sauce after. I'm an honorary Italian. You can't put the sauce in after.
No.
Can't be done.
Disrespect. How's it smelling?
Amazing. Yeah, it smells. Yeah, it smells very much like a pasta, but very different ingredients than usual.
Oh, okay. Can start to try now.
Thank you, chef.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Respect.
Right, so we're gonna try this pasta. Now, I'm not Italian, but I do live in an Italian neighborhood. They even call me Matteo on my street. So I'm a little snobby when it comes to pastas. But this looks very unique, very interesting, very delicious, and even though I'll eat everything, but I pretty much hate wet kind of raisins and sauce especially, I have a feeling this is still going to be good, so bear with me. Here we go.
As a chocolatier, a raw juice specialist, and a professional in raw food preparation.
That's actually super good. It makes a coconut with a hint of spice on it. Ackee's just magical, it works in everything. I still don't like the sweetness of the raisins, but again, normally I don't even touch raisins, so the fact that I'm even eating this means it's really, really damn good. So hats off to the young chefs over here. And I love tofu, and I love ackee.
a celebration of a journey with green smoothies and life-changing benefits.
That is amazing.
Let's hear it for Kerry
So
Food.
I'm gonna link everyone below. Just definitely check out the link. And this is some really incredible Ital food.
Represent to the world, you know? Original and proper spice, you know? Hot food to the world and for the boy and for the girl. And I have to say, how we say it, you know? Again and again. I have to say hot food to the world, for the boy and for the girl. Africa, the motherland, you see it, representing the Ital Fest. Proper spice, live in living colors. Hot it again. You see it? Bam, bam, bam.
My name's Mark, I'm from Kingston originally, and this is Zen Bowls. So what we do are natural acai bowls, exotic fruit smoothies, and all kinds of goodness. So we have things ranging from spirulina to maca to ashwagandha, you name it. And we infuse it in our smoothies, so it's all just goodness, you know what I mean?
And you made me a good recommendation. What's my recommendation for today?
Alright, so we're gonna line you up, bro, with the acai base and half of the mango passion. And the mango and passion fruit is very special because we get that from our friends on the south coast of Jamaica.
Alright.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
It's gonna be a vibe, bro.
Alright. Acai, the magic rainforest superfood from Brazil.
Wow. Yeah, man. You know, I drop on like a honey too. You know, just a like an extra vibe. For real. Yeah. Loaded.
Thank you. Looks amazing.
All right, this is my last meal, the whole Ital Fest, my dessert, so to speak. So, looks so good. Acai, mango, passion fruit, star fruit. There's so much good stuff on this. Wow.
Sometimes we overrate.
That is so good. So magical. Yeah, acai is one of my favorite fruits. First had it in Brazil when I was like 20 years old. 2001 or something like that. So glad to see places like this in Jamaica. Yeah, definitely check out Zen Bowls. Zen Bowls. Don't miss it. Food trucks, so they're going to be around everywhere. Great looking truck here that you'll see at all kinds of different events all around the country.
All right, so I'm with Irina from the famous YouTube channel.
Hi, Jamaica with Iri here. It's a pleasure seeing everyone here, and thank you, Matthew. It's a pleasure meeting you finally in person. And yeah, so hi, and I hope you have enjoyed the Ital Food Fest, because I'm just meeting so many fantastic people here. Absolutely brilliant.
There must be a lot of people that run up to you as well and say, hey, I know you from the channel.
I do, but you know how that is, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
What's your favorite food been here so far?
I've tried plantain with some absolutely fantastic stuff. I don't know, it was like kind of more soury, and I loved it.
Awesome.
Yeah, that was good. And also some fresh ackee with some other beans, I think, and something in there. It was good. And the what's the name of the party? What's the name? Chicken peas party.
Okay.
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas. Not chicken peas.
Chicken peas? No chicken, no bone zone. Come on. Chickpeas party.
Nice. Cool.
My English, come on.
Okay.
Not a native speaker, don't speak good English. You know, that's
well, it was awesome to meet you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the festival
Absolutely.
too.
Thank you so much, Matthew. Have a fantastic time.
All right, that's it from Ital Food Fest here on the north coast of Jamaica. Hope you enjoyed. Definitely do check out all the vendors and chefs' links. I'll try and put them below. Definitely some people that I wanted to see that I didn't get the chance to see, so maybe I'll get invited back next year and try some more of this amazing food festival out. Great vendors, met some really cool people, and great events. And it's going till 11 at night with the music, but I think I'm done for the day, so I'm gonna call it. Anyway, bless up. Please do like and subscribe. Much respect.